As you can see, I have the food from Express Buffet here in Troy, New York. Let's try the macaroni and cheese. Now, everybody does something very well, especially in the black diaspora. Mac and cheese, if it's Jamaican, they don't really make it the best, no matter where you go. But let's try this. Macaroni and cheese, give it like a 6. Let's try the sweet plantain. Yeah, Americans make the best macaroni and cheese. Sweet plantain, Dominicans make it the best. Let's try the jerk chicken. Because you know Jamaicans make that the best. Really good effort. I'll give it like a 8, close to 8. Especially for the effort. I'm not being Jamaican. They have curry chicken as well. Or chicken curry. That's the Guyanese. Okay. The chicken curry, I would say it's like a 5. And then they have fish. Fried fish right here. See if it's seasoned. The fried fish, we can give it like a 7. But all in all, for this plate, I paid about $13 because in buffets like this, you weigh the food. And so that's what we came up with. I had no rice or anything like that. I haven't been trying to eat rice like that. So $13, is it worth it? It's definitely worth it if you're in the area and you want to taste like different things all at once, because you have those days where you want to mix it up. You don't know what you want to eat. Buffets are the best, where you can sample a bunch of different things to kind of hit all the craving needs you want. So if you can come to a place like this, mix it up. They also have shrimp right here. The shrimp is good. The shrimp gets an 8 as well. So do bring cash. They don't take card, but overall, it's definitely like a 7.5 in terms of all the value. They do have parking, which is great. So yeah, the food's good. Catch you on the next one.